Reaching your first 4,000 watch hours is simple. I'll be sure to show you how to do it. Let's imagine we have a YouTube video. This video is 10 minutes long. Now imagine a viewer. This viewer watches the video to the end. That gives you 10 minutes of watch time. Watch time is crucial for growth. We need 4,000 watch hours. So how do we get there? Let's add 2 more videos. Each video is 10 minutes long. Now our viewer watches all 3 videos. That's 30 minutes of watch time. Get viewers to watch more videos. This increases your watch time. How? Use playlists. Playlists are underrated. They help boost watch time. Here's why. Open a video outside a playlist. Other channel videos show up. Now open the same video in a playlist. Only your videos are visible. Create themed playlists. Link to playlists in descriptions. Use pinned comments for links. Longer videos mean more watch time. Avoid adding filler content, show the entire journey. Create compilation videos. Combine related content. Package it as a best-of video. Live streaming can boost watch hours. Stream regularly. Aim for consistent viewer engagement. End screens promote more videos. Plan your end screen before recording. Transition smoothly to the next video. Retain viewers throughout your videos. Please make sure to keep the content engaging. Check out my video on video retention, which is coming soon, for more tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips. Click the end screen for the following video.